to Intersnacktional. I hope we all are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be trying Ptasie mleczko. This is lemon flavored bird's milk, and this time it's from Poland. As you know from my first video of bird's milk, it consists of a fluffy light marshmallow covered in chocolate. The front of the box says that this is a lemon marshmallow covered in dark chocolate. If you haven't seen my earlier video on Russian bird's milk, there's a link up top for you. The box has refreshing spring or summer-like colors and opens up to reveal 2 trays of 18 pieces each. The packaging holds the delicate chocolates together pretty well. However, I don't know what I'm going to do with 18 pieces of chocolate right now. The individually wrapped chocolates are always better in my opinion. The break on these chocolates reveals a fluffy yellow marshmallow made with lemon juice and citric acid for flavor and turmeric for natural colors. The bittersweet dark chocolate is very smooth. It evenly coats the lemon marshmallow. The lemon flavored marshmallow is very fluffy, and citrus always works great with dark chocolate. I actually prefer the flavor of these bird's milk over the original milk chocolate and vanilla marshmallow. The zesty lemon works well with the dark chocolate and it seems less boring. However, I'm conflicted over the lack of snackability compared to the Russian bird's milk. I'm not one to eat more than 3 of these chocolates at once. I will note that these do come in a mini version with a resealable bag, which is more ideal. The original flavor can be enjoyed all the time, as these are best enjoyed during the warmer seasons, as they offer a refreshing taste over the more comforting nostalgic taste. Due to the lack of snackability and considering these are more of a seasonal flavor, these lemon Polish bird's milk get a slightly lower score of 8.1 out of 10. If you are enjoying this content, please like, subscribe, and comment about what snacks you want me to try out next time.